Hello everyone, it's Darius from DeFoo. As we approach the end of Cybersecurity Awareness Month, let's take a look at cybersecurity trends for 2024 and beyond. Staying aware of emerging threats and trends can help you prepare your business to stay secure in an ever-changing landscape. The first trend to watch is the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, in cyber threats. AI is increasingly being used by cybercriminals to launch more sophisticated attacks. For example, AI-driven phishing attacks can create highly personalized emails that are harder to identify as scams. AI can also be used to automate the scanning of networks for vulnerabilities. To combat these advanced threats, cybersecurity teams are now using AI for threat detection and response automation. This creates an arms race where both attackers and defenders are leveraging AI to gain an edge. Another trend is the increasing target of Internet of Things, IoT devices. As more businesses adopt IoT devices, such as smart cameras, sensors, and connected equipment, they introduce new vulnerabilities. Many IoT devices lack robust security features, making them prime targets for cybercriminals who can use them as entry points into companies' networks. Going forward, businesses should focus on securing IoT devices by implementing network segmentation and updating devices with the latest firmware. Ransomware remains a persistent threat, but it's evolving in tactics. We are seeing a shift from simple ransomware attacks to double extortion tactics, where cybercriminals not only encrypt data, but also threaten to release sensitive information unless the ransom is paid. To combat this, it is more crucial than ever to have a solid backup and recovery plan and to conduct regular security training for employees. In 2024, supply chain attacks are expected to increase as well. Cybercriminals are targeting smaller vendors and partners as a way to infiltrate larger companies. This makes third-party risk management essential. Businesses should assess the cybersecurity practices of their suppliers and consider requiring Cyber Essentials or NCSC assurance as a standard for all partners. Zero Trust architecture is another trend gaining momentum. This security approach assumes that no user or device, whether inside or outside the network, is automatically trusted. Instead, every access request is verified and network segmentation limits lateral movement. Adopting a zero trust approach can help reduce the risk of insider threats and limit the impact of a breach. Finally, cyber insurance is becoming a necessary part of a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy. Insurers are increasingly looking for clients to demonstrate good cybersecurity practices like multi-factor authentication and regular vulnerability assessments as prerequisites for coverage. By staying ahead of these trends and implementing proactive measures, you can help safeguard your business against tomorrow's threats. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow when we cover how to conduct cybersecurity risk assessments. Stay secure.